Most men think women want a guy with a huge package, someone who can last for an hour straight without breaking a sweat. But let me tell you something, those things don't matter as much as you think. In fact, they're pretty low on the list. What women really crave in the bedroom, what makes them addicted to a man, comes down to just 3 simple things. And once you master these, you'll have women begging for more. It won't matter if it's a woman you just met or one you've been with for years, she will be completely hooked on you. So if you want to be the guy who drives her absolutely wild in bed, keep watching, pay attention, and get ready to level up your game. 1. Leadership. Be the man. She surrenders. To every woman has a secret fantasy, a deep, primal desire to let go completely in the bedroom. She wants to be swept up in the moment, to forget about everything else and surrender to raw, intoxicating pleasure. But here's the thing. She can only do that if she trusts you to lead her there. And this is where most guys go wrong. They hesitate. They second-guess themselves. They wait for her to make the first move. Big mistake. A woman's biggest turn-on isn't your body, your size, or your stamina. It's your confidence. She wants a man who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to take it. So what does that look like in the bedroom? Instead of waiting for her to make a move, you take control. Kiss her when you feel like it. Undress her piece by piece. Whisper in her ear what you're going to do to her. If you want her in a certain position, guide her there. Don't ask, do you want to do it like this? Just take her by the hips and move her. If you want her to go down on you, don't sit there awkwardly hoping she'll do it. Tell her. Look into her eyes and say, I need to feel your lips on me right now. That's leadership. That's confidence. And let me be clear, this isn't about being forceful or ignoring her boundaries. She always has the choice to say no. But when you lead with confidence, she doesn't want to say no. She wants to follow. A man who knows exactly what he's doing and goes for what he wants is irresistible. And when you combine that with the next key trait, you become absolutely unforgettable in bed. 2. Attentiveness. The secret to blowing her mind now. Leading the interaction is important, but here's the key. You can't just be all action, no awareness. A man who dominates without reading her responses is just selfish. A true master in the bedroom doesn't just take charge, he pays attention. Because here's the truth, a woman will show you exactly how to pleasure her, if you know how to listen. Her body, her breathing, her moans, they're all signals. If you kiss her neck and she gasps, linger there, make her melt. If you're fingering her and she whispers, "Oh my God, don't stop," then don't stop. Keep the same speed, the same rhythm. Don't suddenly switch things up. If she tenses up when you try something new, slow down, adjust, pivot. This isn't just about avoiding what she doesn't like, it's about doubling down on what she loves. Here's something that will blow her mind. Have an entire night where your only focus is her pleasure. Tell her, tonight is all about you. I just want to explore your body and see what makes you melt. She will go crazy for this. Why? Because most men never do it. It makes her feel worshipped, desired, special. And trust me, when you do this for her, she will be desperate to return the favor. Pay attention to her, master her body, and you will own her pleasure like no man ever has. 3. Enthusiasm. The number one thing that makes sex unforgettable. You want to know the biggest mistake men make in bed? They treat sex like a routine. They go through the motions. They do what they think they're supposed to do. And they wonder why she's not as into it as they are. Here's the truth. Enthusiasm is everything. Women don't just want a guy who wants sex. They want a guy who is wildly turned on by her. They want to feel desired, like you can't keep your hands off them. And the best way to show that? Express your pleasure. When you slide inside her, growl in her ear, "Fuck, you feel amazing." When you're going down on her, moan. Tell her how good she tastes. Look up at her with hunger in your eyes. When she's riding you, grab her hips, pull her closer, let her see how much you're loving every second. When a woman feels like she drives you insane with desire, she will match your energy. This is why enthusiasm beats technique every time. You don't need fancy moves or crazy skills. You just need to make her feel like she's the most irresistible woman on the planet. Because sex isn't just physical, it's emotional. It's mental, it's about connection, and when you make her feel that intense, electric passion from you, she will become addicted to it. Put it all together, and you become unstoppable. So let's recap the 3 things that make you unforgettable in bed. Leadership. Take charge. Lead her with confidence. Make decisions without hesitation. Attentiveness. Read her body. Do more of what she loves. Make her feel worshipped. Enthusiasm. Show your passion. Let her see, hear, and feel how much you want her. Master these 3 things, and I promise you, you will be the best lover she's ever had. It's not about size. It's not about lasting forever. It's about how you make her feel. And when you do this right, she will never stop wanting more. Now it's your turn. Try this tonight. Be the leader. Read her body. Show your desire. And watch how she responds. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button right now. If you want more game-changing insights on sex, attraction, and relationships, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And if you know someone who needs to hear this, share it with them. Trust me, they'll thank you later. I'll see you in the next one. Stay confident, stay in control, and go give her the best night of her life.